Go.
Hello, I'm Dirk Pinkerton, Pinkerton Knives, custom knife maker and designer. I do design work for Artisan Knives, for Kaiser, for Concept, and I am now designing for Beyond DDC. Have a wide range of designs I do for all these companies. Most of my work has been with Kaiser, but I have expanded, as I mentioned, to Artisan and Concept. And Beyond DDC is just getting ready to release some new prototypes, so they're at the show and should be available in the next 30 days. My custom work basically centers around tactical self-defense knives, but I do kitchen knives and outdoor utility style knives. What you see on the table is a selection of primarily the tactical self-defense knives. My design work is basically form follows function. I tend to have a purpose behind the design, not just doing it because it looks cool. However, I do like to have some fun and do some fun knives, like you'll see with the larger knives here. Just having some fun, doing some design work just to see what I can do.
I'm very much a fan of this. I mean, and I hate to compare you to someone. I'm a fan of like Spartan Blades, and
right.
I see that, and so I'm definitely a huge fan. So, what would you say is your favorite work personally? The ones that you're having fun with?
Yeah, I think so. I'm getting more into an ethnic-centric central knife design, looking at historical knives, historical knife design. I'm really having fun exploring some of the Persian-style designs, stuff out of the Middle East. Trying to find some obscure, older designs out of the Middle East. I find that to be really fascinating, what they do.
And what steel are we primarily working with?
I do a mix of steels. I like the high-end steels, but I also like the idea of using some of the lower-end, lower alloy steels, the old-school 154 CM, 440C, AEBL. I even like 440B. I know
is that more for sharpening purposes or longevity, corrosion? Like, is there a certain reason?
It's an inexpensive steel that actually works well. It doesn't get enough credit. I mean, obviously, it's not going to work as well as the high alloy steels, but it's definitely a bang for the buck steel when you're getting into AEBL, Nitro V, stuff like that, and it performs very well for what you're buying.
All right, so let's talk about the elephant in the room.
All right.
Pardon the pun, but what do we have going on here?
That knife is called the Proponent. That's the first design I did with Artisan Cutlery. It is essentially a folding Sachs Viking knife design. So clipped Wharncliffe blade. It is meant to be a user and abuser. It can open, and you'll see the hole down towards the guard. That's for a screw to go through and turn it into a fixed blade knife, so you can use it and abuse it out in the field.
I'm holding it in my hand for proportion purposes. It does fit in the hand. It is a heavy-duty, bulky truck in the hand. You've got to be afraid of it. And so what's the steel that we're using for this one in particular? That
one in particular you had there, it was D2, but they also come in CPM S35VN.
All right, so tell the crowd, where can we pick up these different knives? I've got the card here. I need to put the website on there.
So most of my custom work you can find through my website, pinkertonknives.com,
okay,
or Instagram, Pinkerton Knives.
All right.
And as far as the production stuff, Blade HQ, Knife Center, Blade Ops, most of the online stores will carry my designs on their websites.
Man, I appreciate you taking the time for the channel. I can guarantee all the fans that this was not a dull moment. All right. Thanks so much. You guys keep checking back with us.
Thank you.